ESRC has developed a £30 million programme to solve issues about the UK's productivity, wage growth and economic recovery post-COVID-19. Part of this is the programme on Innovation and Diffusion. The programme carries out cutting-edge research into how to boost productivity through nurturing innovation and how to diffuse new ideas into the economy. It's based at the London School of Economics and led by world-leading economist Professor John van Reenen.
We're at this very challenging juncture in our history. The COVID pandemic and the measures we've had to take, lockdowns and other things to help mitigate its costs, have left a huge economic black hole of growth. So we face this enormous challenge to build back. The programme on Innovation and Diffusion is focused on trying to understand how we can get back to more sustainable growth of productivity and growth of income, growth of well-being in the UK and around the world. We're really interested in innovation, so how ideas are created, how they're sustained, what type of economic factors and social factors improve that. But it's not just about the creation of ideas, the innovation, it's also about how those ideas spread, which is called diffusion, how they diffuse around the economy, around firms, across countries. One of the key things is actually research and development. If we want to get back to the kind of growth rates that we had in the kind of post-war period, we want to think about kind of boosting and supporting that research and development. And there's a whole number of ways you can do that. The second thing is about infrastructure. And thirdly, we have to think about skills or human capital. So we have some of the world's leading universities, but we've been rather poor at developing the human capital, the skills of people who don't go to university, who maybe leave school at 18. A lot of the fruit from economic growth has only gone to a narrow segment of the population, otherwise inequality has increased quite a lot. What we need to do is think of policies, think of ways of changing, which both creates more growth and also creates more equity. So equitable and sustainable growth is the kind of key buzzword here. What I hope that we'll see as the programme develops is intellectual breakthroughs to understand analytically some of the reasons why we have had slow growth of productivity, slower innovation. As important is to kind of build up a set of skilled researchers to build a kind of capacity of people who are good social scientists, who are policy engaged, who are interested in these issues. So, the next kind of generation of people, the next cohort of people doing these things can be built or partially built in the programme.